Cracking IAS Prelims is not the rocket science. So here I am Amol Shinde going to discuss here how to crack the prelims examination in 3 months, and that also without coaching, and that too in the first attempt. So it's my 100% guaranteed success if you follow this strategy. So any examination, if you want to crack any examination, there are 3 pillars. So these 3 pillars I'm going to discuss here, and I'm adding the 4th pillar to it. So first 3 pillars here. The first is syllabus. Defines what to read. Syllabus actually defines you what to read. The next, previous year question papers. Previous year question papers defines you how to read, how the questions are framed by any commission. That is here Union Public Service Commission. How the questions are framed by Union Public Service Commissions. So previous year question papers defines you that. The next, textbooks. All textbooks are not covered all the content. Okay, so all required content must be covered by this textbook. So you need to buy only that textbooks which cover all the content. Okay, so these are the very important 3 pillars. First is syllabus, second is previous year question papers, and third is textbooks. The next I am going to add here the 4th pillar, that is coaching. Okay, coaching is very important. You can spend your 15,000 rupees to coaching, but here I am going to discuss the free coaching platform today. Okay, so in next slide I am going to discuss the syllabus, and I am going to give you the book list, which is the standard book list which are already tested, recommended by experts and experienced by toppers. So here is Indian polity and governance. Okay, so what is the syllabus? Constitution, political system, Panchayati Raj, public policy, right issues. So what is the best book to read, or what is recommended by experts, toppers, or already tested? So it's a book Laxmikanth. If you read the Laxmikanth, then there is no need to read any other book for the polity. Okay, except NCERT. NCERTs are the must. Okay, so here Unacademy, Venkatesh Chaturvedi. If you want to finish this Laxmikanth book in a very short interval of time, you can follow this guy on Unacademy named Venkatesh Chaturvedi. Okay, so he has the courses in Hindi as well as in English. So you can follow this guy on Unacademy and do his all video lectures, and then switch to the Laxmikanth. Once you switch to the Laxmikanth, it will be very easy for you to read this book. So within 10 days you can finish Laxmikanth. The next one is Unacademy. There are some educators which create the videos for NCERTs. So Unacademy, Charu Modi is there, and Swatantra Gupta. I think Swatantra Gupta made Hindi video lectures, so you can watch Hindi video lectures of Swatantra Gupta, and Charu Modi made English video lectures. Okay, so here is my first trick for you. So first trick is here that even if you get a year for the prelims is not enough. Now there will be some comments in my video that you cannot crack this examination in the 3 months. Actually, it is already tested that you can crack this examination even in the 2 months. If you prepare it well, if you have some strategy for it. Even if you get a year for the prelims, for example, you will not able to crack it, because you need to have the confidence to crack this examination. Okay, it's not the toughest one, or it's not the rocket science to crack this examination. Next one is economic and social development. So sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographic, social sector initiatives. Okay, so which is the best book to read? Here is a Ramesh Singh. Okay, the updated book of the Ramesh Singh. So you can read this book to crack all the questions of economics. Then which are the video lectures to follow from Unacademy? So here Mohini Jain, very simple video lectures. It's a storytelling video lectures on Unacademy, so by Mohini Jain. So you can follow her lectures. Her lectures are very good and relevant to our UPSC syllabus. So what is relevant to our UPSC syllabus, I am going to discuss that only. Okay, which are not relevant to our syllabus, I am not going to discuss here. Next one is Ayush Sanghi, but here I am talking about Ayush Sanghi's free video lectures and not the paid one, because paid video lectures of 10,000 rupees. Okay, so we are not going to discuss about the paid thing here. Only you need to follow here Ayush Sanghi and Mohini Jain for economics, and Ramesh Singh. Then you can switch to the Ramesh Singh and you can finish this book within 12 days. The next here, if you have some time or if you have capacity to do any other book, you can switch over to the Shankar Ganesh. Here is my trick for you. Set small targets to achieve big. For example, if you're watching the video lectures, watch the video lectures for 1 hour, then stop. Then switch over to the reading. Then after some time, you can again watch the videos for 1 hour, then you can switch to the reading. Okay, for example, if you are going to solve some questions, just take the 25 questions and solve the 25 questions, and then after that stop doing it. Because if you go for the 100 questions at the same time, okay, simultaneously, if you are solving the 100 questions, it will be hectic for you and you will stop in between. Okay, you will not do anything after that. So set small targets to achieve big. So that is the another trick for you. The next one is very important subject, that is India and world geography. Physical, social, economic geography of India and the world. Here is the best books for Indian geography. 11th and 12th NCERT. Then G C Leong. G C Leong is a very important book. The next one is Oxford Atlas. So map reading Oxford Atlas is must book. Okay, if you don't have the Oxford Atlas, then it means that you are lacking somewhere. You are lacking in map reading. Okay, so Oxford Atlas is the must book. The next, Unacademy. In Unacademy, there are very good video lectures by these two girls. They actually uploaded awesome content on Unacademy, named Arpita Prakash and Jeva Tripathi. If you follow the Arpita Prakash video lectures, then you think that there is no need of any other video lectures for geography. Here is my trick for you. Read a single book 10 times and keep revising it. Okay. Again, I am repeating, read a single book 10 times and keep revising it. So here, any book which I suggest to you, so don't find any alternative for that book. First thing is that. Second thing is that if you are using G C Leong, read that G C Leong book 10 times. Okay, don't follow another book. Reading a single book 10 times is good. So keep revising that book, underline what you read. Underline the important sentence from there, underline the important lines from there, underline the important keywords from there. Then you will get the exact summary of that book, and then you can revise it again and again. Okay, so that's why I'm asking you to go through the previous year question papers. So I will talk about the test series, which is not costly for you, and you can easily join that test series and get the previous year question papers from there. So next, here we are going to discuss history of India and Indian national movements. So which book is to read for history of India and Indian national movement? So here, modern history, you can use Rajiv Ahir. The next, ancient history, you can use old NCERT. Next, medieval history, you can use old NCERT. So history is divided into 3 parts actually: modern history, ancient history and medieval history. So Rajiv Ahir, old NCERT for both ancient and medieval history. Modern history, Rajiv Ahir. Then here, Unacademy, if you go to the Unacademy platform, there are some crash courses made by Abhishek Srivastava. Okay, so this Abhishek Srivastava made the crash courses on medieval history, ancient history and modern history separately. So you can follow this guy. And then next, Arpita Prakash. Actually, she is doing history video lectures this year. The next, Mrunal.org. Pratik Nayas had made a very awesome videos on his YouTube channel of Mrunal. So you can follow his video lectures. His video lectures are also good. Okay, so you have some options here. So you can follow whichever you want. So here is the next trick for you, that is thoughts of failure or cracking it in one attempt is not good. Means simultaneously or continuously, if you are thinking about cracking it in one attempt, then it will lead to your failure. How it will lead to your failure? Because it will distract you from your main goal. Okay, if thoughts of failure are coming that I am from the poor background and I cannot do it, then these thoughts of failure will fear you and that will lead to your failure. Or sometimes you are thinking about only about that I will crack it in one attempt, crack it in one attempt. Yes, you will crack it in one attempt, but don't think about it. just do your hard work, put your all hard work there. You can easily crack it in one attempt, but don't think about it continuously. So that is my point here. The next here we are going to discuss the next subject, that is environment and ecology. General issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change that do not require the subject specialization. So environment and ecology here, environment and ecology, you need to read Shankar IAS. Shankar IAS is the best book for environment and ecology. Again, I am asking you, don't find the alternatives for these books. You will not get even a single alternative or even a single best book rather than these books. You can follow video lectures of Shreya Sharma on Unacademy, or you can simultaneously read the book and watch the videos of Shreya Sharma. Okay, and I am talking about the platform of unacademy.com, and I am not talking about the Unacademy YouTube channel. Okay, so unacademy.com you will get the videos of Shreya Sharma, or unacademy.com you will get the videos of Mohini Jain, then Arpita Prakash, then Venkatesh Chaturvedi, then Abhishek Shrivastava. So all this video you will get on unacademy.com. The next here is my trick for you. Be silent. Don't argue with anyone. Okay, don't argue with anyone. If you argue with your friends or family members, then that thoughts may be struggling in your mind or might be struggling in your mind, and you will not be able to concentrate on your studies. Okay, while you are reading, you will not able to concentrate. So be silent. Don't argue with anyone. Okay, if there are 3 or 5 months left for it. Okay, so here you need to decide, you want to be Gandhi or you want to be Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so here we need to be Gandhi at this moment. Okay, once you become an IAS officer, if you want to change something, then you can be Subhash Chandra Bose or Chandrasekhar Azad. The next is very important subject, that is current affairs. Okay, without current affairs we cannot crack this examination, because there are 25 questions last time. So current events of national and international importance, so that is the syllabus. So here you can use only Vision 365 for each subject. Okay, so Vision 365 will be coming in the market before 2 months of the IAS Prelims examination. So Vision 365, keep the eye on it. When it will be uploaded, I will try to put the link in my description and you can download it from there. So here is my next trick for you. Student gathered 100 of notes and test series. Actually what happened, student gathered 100 of notes from the Telegram channel, 100 of test series from the Telegram channel, but finally they come with that confusion that which one to read. Okay, so here you don't do that. Okay, follow just this strategy, just this book list, and you will easily crack this examination. So in next slide, I am suggesting you a very important test series, online test series is that. Okay, so here is the logo of the test series and the name of the test series is Speed Up or Speed Up Exam. Okay, so speedupexam.com is the name of their website and Speed Up is the application on the Play Store. Okay, so you can download this application and you can solve this test series. Actually, thousands of students are solving this test series on their website, but now they have come up with their new application that is called Speed Up. Okay, so why this is very famous among the student and why you need to join this. First, previous 10-year question papers are there with their accurate explanation. I'm repeating it, with the accurate explanation they have given this previous year 10-year question papers. The next one, subject wise mock questions are there, like for example geography, polity, history, current affairs. All the subjects are given there, and in each subject there are too many questions are there. Okay, so subject wise mock questions are there. They also included important charts on their website like geography, history, economics, science, environment, polity, current affairs. All important charts are there. For example, in economics, like qualitative methods and quantitative methods. Okay, so these charts they actually given on their website, and it will be very easy for you to crack this examination. The next, book wise questions. Actually they have go a step ahead. They actually uploaded G C Leong based questions, Rajiv Ahir based question and NCERT based question. For example, you finish the 6th NCERT, then you can solve the questions on the 6th and 7th NCERT. Okay, so it's like that. The next, revision test. So 1 month before exam they actually will upload the revision tests, so you can revise what you read. Okay, The next one is that map based questions. Their map based questions are very famous among the students, so map based questions are very important there. The next one is, actually they are providing 5,000 plus questions. 5,000 plus questions means they are providing you the 50 question papers, okay, if you count it in that way. They have the set of 25 questions on their website. If you visit their website, you will get the 25 questions and you can like solve that 25 questions and you will get the explanation. After that you can revise that, okay, you can easily revise that because you have only 25 questions solved, okay, so it's not like hectic schedule for you. The next, what is the price? The main important thing is that what is the price. So it's like 799 rupees. Actually it's too high for many students, but here is a discount coupon given by them, that is one attempt, because they also wanted to crack you this examination in one attempt. So you will get finally this test series in 499 rupees, but I don't know how many days this coupon will be activated. It may happen that you will be watching this video after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, okay, so this discount coupon may not be activated there. Okay, so let's check this discount coupon is working or not, and you can get this test series in 499 rupees, and this much of content is there, okay, like previous year 10-year question paper, subject wise mock questions, important charts, book wise questions, revision test, map based questions, and totally there are 5,000 plus questions on their website. So here is my next trick for you, that is 80% of your hard work is needed. Okay, if you go to the coaching, 20% of the hard work will be doing by the coaching, okay, but here 80% of your hard work is needed. You need to put your hard work to crack this examination. You need to read the standard books, you need to join the test series, then you need to solve the papers continuously, then you need to revise the charts, you need to revise your notes. So 80% of your hard work is necessary to crack this examination. Now in next slide also I am talking about this test series only. Okay, so here is the logo, original price is this, and then discounted price will be this one. So here is the name of the test series, or name of their application is SpeedUp, and website name is speedupexam.com. Here they will be uploading some economic survey based question. Okay, so economic survey based question you will get there. The next, they will have some full mock test which is fully based on UPSC pattern. Okay, so they will schedule some full mock test for you. 7 UPSC pattern schedule full mock test will be there, so you can solve that test and that will have the negative marking. Okay, so like completely UPSC pattern based question papers. The next one, timing based test papers will be there, means each and every paper of there is timing based. The next one, once you complete the reading a subject, for example if you complete reading 8th NCERT, you can solve the questions on 8th NCERT because they already uploaded the questions on 8th NCERT. If you read G C Leong, solve the questions on G C Leong. So it's like that. The next one is, my trick is here, stay away from the negative students or people. Staying away from the negative people or student is very important because they will lose your confidence. Okay, they will demotivate you. So you need not to be demotivated in this time interval. So this is my recommendation to join this test series. You will get this test series in very few bucks, and if you already joined some test series, I still think that you should join this test series because this test series will have all the content which is required for your examination. The next slide is that here, general science. In general science, we are going to talk about the Lucent GK. If you want to prepare the science, then Lucent GK is very good to prepare the science. The next one is the Unacademy videos, that is Punit Sehgal uploaded some videos on Unacademy and which are very good in terms of our examination. So they are relevant to our examination. And here my next trick is that beware from the test series because inaccurate answers are there. Okay, if you are solving the test series and if you get any inaccurate answers and that comes in your exam, then your chances will be very less to crack this exam. Okay, because for example, if you want like 120 marks in this examination and you get 119 marks in that exam, then there are chances of failure. Okay, so be aware of the test series, inaccurate answers are there, and be aware of the material also which is not like standard material. The next is here my next subject, art and culture. So art and culture is very important, so you can use Nitin Singhania's notes. Actually, not lot questions from the art and culture. It does not mean that you should not follow art and culture or should not read the art and culture. You need to read the art and culture from Nitin Singhania, and here are some videos. That is an academy. You can follow Venkatesh Chaturvedi. His video lectures are good. Then Mrunal Ishani Panda. You can follow Mrunal YouTube channel, and there Ishani Panda uploaded good video lectures on art and culture, so you can follow that. Here is my next trick for you, that prefer to join the library or reading room. Okay, if you join the library and other students are studying, you will study with them. Okay, that will be the peer pressure on you. Okay, and if you don't find any library near to you, if you are living in the village, then set your place in your house. Okay, and tell your parents not to disturb you when you are studying. The next trick, revision and practice. Okay, so there is no next subject here, revision and practice. So how to revise or how to follow this schedule? So here, finish the videos first, or you can simultaneously watch the videos and read the book. Then you can solve the test. You can solve the test and connect the dots. Geography with the current affairs, you can connect the polity with the current affairs. Revise the charts, short notes periodically. Okay, for example, if you are using speedupexam.com, then revise the charts from there, or you can make your own. Okay, so you should revise them, keep revising them continuously. The next one is Lucent GK or Arihant GK. Okay, these two are very important books. If you get any of these books, you will get to know that how important it is, because all the crux of the NCERT is given in these books. So not ready with the short notes, just take the book and start revising it. Okay, the next one is that use the elimination method while solving the questions on SpeedUp. For example, if you are solving the questions on SpeedUp or any other platform, use the elimination method. Elimination method is very important for this examination. Okay, because 50% you read but 50% you don't know, so you need to follow the elimination method. Otherwise you will not able to crack this examination, because no one is there who have such a great knowledge to crack this exam. Okay, to get like more than 60%. So you need to do what? You need to like use elimination method. For example, if you have 4 options, if you can eliminate 2 options, then your probability will be 50-50%. Okay, so try to use the elimination method while solving the questions on SpeedUp or any other platform. The next, here is my trick: eat healthy food and take it as your last chance. Just think it, imagine it, assume it that the UPSC has reduced their attempts and you have one chance to crack it. What you will do? What you will do? I know what you will do. You will put your all efforts. You will start reading 10 to 12 hours a day or more than that. You will start solving hundreds of questions daily on SpeedUp platform or any other platform. Then why you are not doing it now? Take it as a last chance and do this in this attempt only. So with this question, I am Amol Shinde signing off. Have a nice day.